Wow! Look at those kazoos! But what do those have to do with calculus? Well, let me tell you. You can see that each of these kazoos kind of almost forms a parabola. Wow! So what about the kazoos? Each kazoo could kind of form an estimation of a tangent line. What is a tangent line, you say? A tangent line is a line that touches the function at one point, and only one point, and it's used to find the slope of the function at that point. So, for example, if we're looking at this green kazoo here, that could make a tangent line like this. Or, if we're looking at this blue kazoo right here, that could make a tangent line like that. Wow! Math! So, how do you find the slope of a tangent line? Well, let's go to the calculus yodeling boy to find out how.
I got a little trick for you to find derivatives. If you don't know what to do, then why don't you try this? The power rule or low D high. Without those I think I would die. They help me, they help you on the AP test. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll even get a 5. Such a beautiful dream.
Okay, that is enough of that. Wow, that boy really is a prodigy. They should really put him on Ellen or something. Or Coachella. Anyways, the Walmart yodeling boy really touched on the best and fastest ways to find derivatives. He told us about the power rule and low D high. So, here's the lowdown. To use the power rule, you need a power function, or x to the power of another factor. Now, to take the derivative of the power function using the power rule, you take the exponent, make it the coefficient, and then subtract 1 from the exponent, as shown right here. So for example, if your function was f of x equals x cubed, then you would just take the exponent, move it to the coefficient, and subtract 1, so that the derivative would be 3x squared.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Now, for the quotient rule, we have a handy-dandy song to help us memorize it.
Low, D high, minus high, D low. Square the bottom, and off you go.
To use the quotient rule on this function, we would just use the song. So we would do the derivative is equal to the low times the derivative of the high minus the high times the derivative of the low. And then square the bottom, off we go. And that is our derivative.
Wow! A big thanks to the calculus yodeling boy and the 25 kazoo covering for helping us not fail calculus. Next, for your hard work and dedication, we're going to show you a sneak preview of the most important info of second semester calculus. Please give a round of applause to Stand and Deliver, the constant C.
In an alternate universe, Mr. E's students didn't pass the AP Calculus exam. And here's why.
There's something my students did that nobody is talking about, and you know what it is.
No one has the right to forget the constant C. No one has the right to forget the constant C!
That's my opinion!
I know well how to use the constant C. I taught my students this a long time ago. Are you telling me they forgot to add the constant C?
There are two kinds of idiots in this world, Mr. Escalante. People who don't pass the AP test, and people who forget to add the constant C.
Well, when life gives you lemons.